Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about CBAK energy technology, and understand this. We are looking at a long-term trend, and while looking at a long-term trend there will be lots of things which will happen in between. So whether you are looking at short-term, intermediate term, hourly chart, but at the end it does looks like everything assimilate in a synchronicity, and the long term trend will give you a much better idea about the way the stock is moving and where it will probably go. So looking at the long term trend, what we can see here is that this is a long term downtrending chart. Okay, now you have this chart and you can see here that the stock has been down since the highs of 2006. Okay, so in 2006 this stock was trading at $70.7 and it has made a low of 0.2 in the year 2018 and it is trying to go up. Okay, so this is your level near to 0.2. So here is your support level. Okay, so this is your support level where the stock currently made a low and it moves up from that particular level. Now understand this trend. Okay, the good thing what has happened is that the particular script has moved above 0.9. so 0.9, this line is nothing but your resistance level. Now that the stock has moved above it and stay above 0.9, there is a possibility or a probability that the stock could go towards 5.19. but as we can see here that the stock went up to here 3.8 and falls back towards 2.4. so now you have your first resistance or target at 3.8 and 5.19 and you have your support at 0.96. so this is what you need to look at while considering your support and resistance level in the short term. Also what you could do here, you can consider this level as your immediate support rather than considering 0.9. so your immediate support will probably come at 1.24, then if it falls below 1.24 then you have 0.9, and accordingly after 0.9 you have 0.61, then you have 0.41, and then you have 0.2 as your important support levels. Now you need to know, I am saying this in each and every video, that prepare for your risk first. Okay, you should know your support level and you should know if this level breaks, I need to get out of this. It doesn't matter how good the stock is. Okay, so be disciplined. That is the first rule. Having said that, as I've already told you that on the upside you have your first target at 3.8 and then 5.19. so once the stock went go above, sustain above 5.19, make a breakout and sustain above 5.19, then the stock could reach 12.2, and after that we have 25.7 and we have 49.1 and $70.73 on the upside. So you can see there are level or ranges or probably resistance level which you will find whenever you hit one target after another. So you should know about all these things and the current trend as well, and you should plan accordingly, whether you are looking for a long term, whether you are looking for a short term, And specifically, if you are looking for a short and intermediate term where your trend is very specific, you have your time limitation, then it is very relevant and very important to understand where is your entry point, how do you want to exit. If things goes well, where do you want to exit? But if things won't go well, how and when do you want to exit? So these kind of questions need to be asked, you know, and this will help you to have a good disciplined trading, you know, psychology, and you need to stick to that. It doesn't matter, the ultimate goal is to make profit, okay, but you need to be very disciplined whenever you are thinking or talking about any kind of stocks. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.